Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So today you're gonna start by boiling some salted water. Then you add your pasta. So I did choose this kind of pasta, but of course you can choose like different one if you prefer to. Smaller one or bigger one, it's up to you. But I would suggest you to get smaller one or this kind. Then on another saucepan, we're gonna start doing the bechamel sauce. So start like this with the butter. Okay, then when it's done, you're gonna add the flour. And mix it together. Then when it's mixed, just add your milk. And mix it. Here we go. So for this sauce bechamel, you have to keep mixing every time. And slowly. Okay, then you're gonna add your spices like salt and black pepper. Then start heating your oven 220 degrees. Keep mixing your sauce. So as you can see, it's getting thicker. Then I'm gonna add like some cheese, grated cheese, but it's not like necessary if you don't want to. But if you do, like me, just add it at the end. Just mix it, and after you can switch off the heat. Oh, I didn't tell you, just for this sauce, cook on a medium heat. Here we go, then your pasta are ready. So I'm putting some oil, just to make sure you don't stick at the end. Then I take back my sauce bechamel and I'm gonna add the pasta. Then mix it together. And yeah, just like this. Pour it. And then you're just gonna add some grated cheese on the top. Then you're gonna start cooking it in the oven. So I'll say leave it around like 20 minutes, but always check every time because maybe your oven is gonna cook faster. When it's like this, it's ready. So take it out. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it's the case, please don't hesitate to subscribe. Thank you and see you soon.